Hi girls, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a eyebrow gel in 1 minute. Today I'm going to make eyebrow gel in two different methods. So let's start how it's done. For the base I'm using hair gel on both method. Hair gel have to set your brow hair in right shape for a long time. It makes your makeup long lasting and is smudge proof. You can also use aloe vera gel as a base, but aloe vera gel doesn't make your brow lasting. And second, I'm using cocoa powder for this. I use 2 drops of hair gel and half teaspoon of cocoa powder. It is ready. Now I'm starting second method. For the second method, I use half teaspoon of matte brown color eyeshadow powder. And 2 drops of hair gel and mix this well. It is also ready in less than 1 minute. Now both of my brows gel is ready. Let's swatch on my hand. First I am testing eyeshadow powder gel. You can see it blends very well. It makes your brow smudge proof. You can fill your brow with this. It is not cakey. Now let's start with cocoa powder. The gel is not blending well. It becomes so clumpy, totally fail. I also try this with aloe gel. The result is same clumpy. Thank you so much for your time. If you like my video, then give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. See you next.